How do you turn keyboard clicks on and off on an iPhone? Well, you go to Settings, and a little ways down you find Sounds and Haptics, or just Sounds. And if you scroll down, you'll see the toggle switch for keyboard clicks. Flip that, your keyboard will make noises. And there's also one for the lock screen here. Flip that for the keyboard, and that turns clicks on and off. For more iPhone support, you can try a private iPhone lesson over Skype or FaceTime, or you can try an online iPhone course. Both of these are at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.